In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook Calendar to Notion Calendar. By the end, new Outlook events will automatically appear in your Notion database, so you can manage everything in one place without manual copying. We'll use a tool called Zapier. Zapier connects apps for you and moves information between them based on simple rules. Start by signing up for a Zapier account. It's quick, and you only need it to act as the bridge between Outlook and Notion. Once you're in, create a new Zap. A Zap has two parts: a trigger, which starts the automation, and an action, which is what happens afterward. Give your Zap a clear name so you can recognize it later. Set the trigger to Microsoft Outlook and choose New Calendar Event. Connect your Outlook account when prompted and grant permission so Zapier can read your calendar. If you have multiple calendars, pick the one you use for your appointments. Zapier will pull in a sample event to help you set things up, which makes the next steps clearer. Now set the action to Notion and choose Create Database Item. Connect your Notion account and allow access. Then select the Notion database where you want events to appear. Remember, in Notion, a calendar is just a database with a calendar view, so choose the underlying database, not the view. If you don't see it right away, make sure the database is shared with the Zapier integration inside Notion. Next, map the fields from Outlook to Notion. Map the Outlook subject to your Notion title or name property. Map the start date and end date to a date property in Notion. If your Notion date supports time, your events will include times as well. You can map the Outlook description to a notes or description property, the location to a text property, and attendees to a multi-select or people type property if you track those. Keep an eye on time zones. Zapier usually handles them, but it helps to keep Outlook and Notion on the same zone for consistency. If a property you need isn't there in Notion, add it to the database and refresh the fields in Zapier so it appears for mapping. Finally, turn on your Zap. When the toggle is on, new events you create in Outlook will automatically create database items in Notion. Automations generally work forward, so only events added after activation will sync. If you ever pause the Zap, those new events won't flow until you turn it back on. That's it. You now have a simple, reliable way to keep Outlook and Notion in sync without extra effort.